Hey, let's talk about Coinbase fees. In this video, I'll go over all the fees that you can get on Coinbase. But while we're at it, just make sure you give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new, because I'm actually uploading over 20 of these videos every single day for your value. So if you're new to the crypto space, definitely, hey, and subscribe if you're new with bell notifications on, because I'm uploading over 20 of these videos with the top coins. Yeah, most of them are Doge right now. Dogecoin, Dogecoin, all of that jazz. But yeah, if you want to be ahead of the curve, get to know the coins first, how to buy them, especially altcoins, subscribe with bell notifications on, because I'm putting in a lot of effort into these videos. So how do you get, what are the Coinbase fees? Here are the main fees that you want to know. Buy and sell transactions. Coinbase charges a spread of about 1/2 of 1%, 0.5% for cryptocurrency purchases and cryptocurrency sales. By the way, 0.1% on Binance. That's like 5 times less. So you can actually go on Binance and sign up for that. I have a link for it in the description down below. It's an affiliate link, so you're also helping out the channel. They also charge a Coinbase fee in addition to the spread, which is greater. Fee determined by region, product, feature, payment type. Here are the fees, quite steep, I would say. I think Binance has the lowest fees, and then it's Kraken. For example, if you're in the United States and wish to purchase $100 worth of Bitcoin, pay your US bank account, the flat fee would be $3, and then look at that. It's pretty healthy. It's pretty steep. You can go and read about all of those, but the thing that I think you'll be interested in is debit card buys. Again, Binance 1.8%, 3.99%, and standard PayPal sell 1%. It's basically 4% for most countries. Europe is a little instant buy, 4%. So instant buy is 1.8, I think, on Binance as well, because correct me if I'm wrong. It's basically 4% for most cards. US bank account 1.5%. So that's what you would be interested in. Instagram instant card withdrawal up to 1.5% of any transaction, and the minimum fee of 0.55. Actually use Kraken to withdraw money. They charge like 5-cent fee or something, or 50 cents, super cheap, and no percentages. Deposit method for USD, wire transfer $10, 25 outgoing, PayPal 2.5%. Good thing is that you can buy with PayPal, but you can do that on Binance in some countries as well. Just check the P2P methods, and then they have the fees on their staking services. Yeah, if the video helped you out, again, give me a like. I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.